Here you can see on my screen, I have got some interesting results from Mylead affiliate network. Mylead is a best and most popular trusted network. You can use this network to get amazing results. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get amazing results from Mylead affiliate network. I'm going to share with you step by step. You need to watch this full video without skipping any part. Here you can see offer categories: health and beauty, house and garden, dating, fashion, business, entertainment, and there are many more. You can choose any of this category. Here you can see conversion type: selling, SOI offers, surveys, DOI offer, email submit, loan, credit card submit, install, sweep stacks, and there are many more. I'm going to share with you beginner friendly method, but quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on Mylead affiliate network. You can click on my account button. You will then come to this page. Here you can see Mylead affiliate network have over 128,000 publishers. You can scroll down. You can click on create an account button. You can type your unique login ID. You can type here your email address. You can type your password. You can repeat password. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this CAPTCHA, and at last you can click on this button. In next step, you can activate your account. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on Tools button. Now you can click on Content Lockers button. Here you can see Content Lockers tools: CPA Locker, CAPTCHA Locker, File Locker, Mobile Rewards, Incent Campaigns, Offer API. You can click on CPA Locker button. Here you can see information. What is CPA Content Locker? How does it work? How to add a locker to your website? Here you can see I have created CPA Locker. You can click on Create a Locker button. Now you can type your locker name. If you want, you can increase your number of required conversions. When your visitor will complete only one CPA offer, then this locker will be removed. You can select your loading method. Now you can click here. You can select redirection option. You can paste your URL. When your visitor will complete CPA offer, then they can redirect on this URL. You can lock your movie URL, file URL. You can also lock here your course URL. For example, you can go on Google and you can search your drive. You can click here. Now you can upload your course. You can click on new button. You can click here to upload your course. After uploading your course, you can click here. Now you can click here to copy link. You can go on Mylead affiliate network. You can paste here that link. Now you can click on add a locker button. Here is showing that locker. You can click on this link icon. You can scroll down. Here is showing iframe embedded code. You can click here to copy this code. Now you can go on Google and you can search your sites. You can click here to open this URL. You can click here to open this blank template. Now you can delete this header section. Now you can insert here that code. You can click on embed button. You can click here. You can paste here that code. Click on next button. You can click on insert button. Now you can customize this content. You can click on publish button. Type your unique web address. Now you can click on publish button. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can open that URL in new tab. Here you can see this Google site is looking perfect. Here is showing CPA offers. When your user will complete any of these CPA offer, then they will be able to redirect on your course page. For that action, you can get conversion. For that conversion, Mylead affiliate network may create your account. So friends, this is how you can use Mylead affiliate network to get amazing results. If you want to learn more about Mylead affiliate network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.